going on, guys? Another video. Today we're working on editing the exhaust video install I have. Today's video we're gonna be showing you Manaflow Exhaust that you can do yourself at home. So this is the pretty cool thing about it. It's a DIY inexpensive muffler. You can do this on your driveway. The only tools that you are gonna need, if you have a grinder, you can definitely use a grinder. If you have a jigsaw, you can use it to cut the tailpipe. If not, then the description below you're gonna have a link to a tailpipe cutter that I also bought from Amazon. Is what I utilize to cut the tailpipe. Also the link for the Manaflow itself. The only parts that are not listed below are going to be the tailpipe U-bolts. So those you can buy like at O'Reilly's, Advanced Auto Parts, or anything like that. Credit where credit is due. This idea I grabbed it from Ben from JK Gear and Gadgets. I did the same thing on my JK. So another cool thing about this is going to be able to be done on a JK, a 2-door, a 4-door JK, or a 2-door, 4-door JL, but on the B6 only. 4-cylinder, I'm not sure. This probably won't work. But if you have a 4-cylinder, you have done something similar, post it on the comments below, so you guys that have 4 cylinders go through the comments and maybe somebody has done something similar, so we can actually, learn from other people's projects. But I'll leave you with the video. Let me know what you think. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you on the next time. Take care, guys.
Alright guys, so what I'm gonna do first, I'm gonna undo this clamp up here from the axle back exhaust. It is a 15 millimeter. There we go. Alright guys, I cut the bushings. I cut the bushings because I didn't have anything to spread it open, and my hands didn't fit to remove the pin holding the bushing. So I just cut them. Now I'm sliding this thing off. Slowly but surely. Alright guys, so we already took the muffler off. We're gonna do a cold start straight pipe. It's just a resonator right now, so take a look. It's gonna be loud.
Yeah.
Not really. I never seen a JL straight pipe, and the JK was way louder, so I was expecting more. I don't really even think we need the muffler, but maybe that resonator is more restrictive than what I had in the JK, and maybe by putting this straight through Manaflow muffler is gonna be louder than what it is right now with that resonator. So we're still cutting anyways, so we're just gonna take a break. It's hot, it's raining, it's humid here in Florida. And another thing, we're wheeling tomorrow, so that will be another video, but that will be first in this, because I don't want to confuse you. I haven't shown you the Jeep already like this lifted, so tomorrow's video is gonna be uploaded first. So if you're seeing this, we went Back to the Future or some shit like that, guys. So yeah, stay tuned.
Alright guys, so as we go, I'm just figuring what I have to do. We have to take out this skid plate out of the way so you can get access to the resonator. Remember, this is a 2-door. Maybe on the 4-door is different and you won't even have to remove this. Maybe it's at another place, another angle. But to get place and be able to cut better, I'm gonna remove it out of the way, alright? So we're almost done. There's where they welded the resonator, and it's a little bit enlarged. So in order for it to fit with the muffler I bought, I'm gonna cut it just slightly behind where it starts to enlarge, so I'll be able to slip the other one in. Also, it will be minimal the space that I have in here to slip it on, and then from there we're gonna measure where do I need to cut in the front. I have this tool from Amazon as well. It will be on the description below, so if you want to buy this, you can do it. If you have a G-saw or whatever you have to cut, you can do it. Alright guys, that wasn't that bad. I'm guessing Fiat is not putting that much into their metals. It wasn't hard at all. Or is it the tool is brand new? Bounce away. Ain't no coming back from that. I mean, yeah, welded, but. Alright guys, so I'm having a little bit of trouble putting the muffler to the existing pipes. I already removed the resonator. So we're gonna go to the auto parts store or to Lowe's or Home Depot and buy a file so I can file the edges and be able to slip it on. But meanwhile, I want to see how it sounds without the resonator. So we're gonna take a look. Just as I suspected, that resonator is a very restrictive resonator. I removed that and it sounds just like my JK. But we're gonna take a look if the file works. You're gonna be able to use this muffler, and the link is below. That easy. Actually, it's not easy. I've been putting some work, but hey, this is a cheap version. Instead of buying an already made thing for like $400, $500, $700, it's gonna sound good. It's gonna give you the clearance for off-roading. So what else can you beat? Like the tool, 28 bucks. The exhaust is like 74 bucks. All shipped to your house. If you have some time, just go ahead and tackle it. Well, we're gonna go ahead and get that file. All right, guys. So I haven't worked this much in a while, not even working now. I've been sweating all afternoon long. So pro tips, if you have a grinder, that's gonna make it much easier. You're gonna have to grind the tailpipe at the side of the Jeep and the one that is gonna be the dump at the axle on the outside. And you're gonna have to, if you have a file a little bit on the actual Manaflow on the inside, because it's gonna go female or male to female, and on the other side it's gonna be female to male. So definitely a grinder will help you a lot. I had to do everything by hand on a file. So now the only thing is put the U-bolts and we're gonna be good to go. We're gonna go and do a little bit of driving around, all right? See you in a little. All right, guys. Exhaust is on, everything is done. Clamps, I already put back the skid plate. So we're gonna go test it out. I'm gonna put it in manual. I'll throw the shifts myself. Sounds really good. Alright guys, so it's raining. So we're gonna do it with the windows up and see how good it sounds in the inside.
I think it sounds good. Sounds really, really good. I approve this message, guys.
Alright guys, so now I'm gonna show you a quick pickup. So we're gonna go from 0 and manual. Can't believe it. So cheap, great option. So the exhaust again is a Manaflow, very cheap. The point of this was doing a DIY, something that you can do at home for the cheap, around 110 bucks probably with all the tools. There is tools that you need, for example, or you need a G-saw or the tailpipe cutter that I bought. So the link for those things are gonna be in the description below. If you like the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up so I can continue doing more videos. Go ahead and subscribe, help me out with that. There's a couple more things coming this way. Hopefully it comes through so I can make more videos for you in regards to some products. Tomorrow we're wheeling, which is going to be the video after this or prior than this. So yeah, I'll catch you on that, and till the next time guys, take care.